If you notice that the foam is shrinking, it's usually indicative of the foam being applied in a too cold a temperature or an environment where there's not enough moisture in the air to help the foam cure. If it's too cold, you need to warm up the can to room temperature before going to reapply. If there's not enough humidity, relative humidity or moisture in the air, spritzing the area with a mist bottle will help the foam cure properly. The easiest way to take care of a clogged tool problem would be to unscrew the foam can and then flush it out with our Great Stuff Pro tool cleaner, then reapply the can to make sure it's working properly. Bad foam is usually the cause of the environment. So if you find a foam quality that's not where it should be, make sure that you're not trying to dispense the foam in an area that's too cold or maybe has debris or doesn't have enough humidity to help it cure. Here we have a situation where the foam was over-applied or expanded past the rough opening frame juncture. If you get to that within 5 minutes or so of dispensing, you should be able to just tuck the soft foam back into the gap without breaking the air seal. If you're past the point where the foam is not pliable enough to be able to be tucked back, you can trim it. There may be times where you need to go back and reapply the foam. Because of the moisture cure of a single component foam, temperature and relative humidity are important. For window and door foam, you must spray the foam at a 40-degree Fahrenheit temperature or higher and make sure there's at least 50% relative humidity in the atmosphere. In this case, we see the foam has shrunk away from the rough opening gap. That's indicative of there not being enough moisture in the atmosphere to help the foam cure. In a condition like this, to overcome it, you can simply spritz the area with a water spray bottle to provide the moisture needed, and then reapply the foam to fill in the gaps that were missed the first time.